Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope you guys are all doing great. We are still doing our video tutorials, and today we're going to be looking at the weather forecast section of our Google Sheet CRM. If you look at the tabs at the bottom, there should be one that is named Weather Forecast, and if you click on it, you should see something like this right here. Okay, so this tab right here is closely related to the weather widget on the dashboard section right over here. Okay, so for those of you that set up the weather widget on your CRM, you'll realize there is a relationship between some numbers right here. These are temperature updates, and you can see that relationship display on the widget right over here. If you haven't set up your widget and you want to set it up, there is a video that I did. I checked the previous videos about how to set up your weather widget, and it will go deeper into how to do it. All right, if you can do it and you find it a little bit intimidating, shoot me an email and I'll help you get it set up. All right, so basically this is one of the areas where you are not supposed to edit. All right, in case you're trying to edit it and it's not letting you do that, it means you're not supposed to edit. Okay, so what is happening here is that the Google Sheet is making a request to an external website. You'll see all of that information in the video that I did describing how to set up the widget. So Google Sheet is made periodically based on your time settings, maybe like every 15 minutes, maybe every 30 minutes, depending on how you set it up. Google Sheet will send a request to an external weather website, and then the weather website will send updates to this sheet right here in the weather forecast, right? So let's say every 15 minutes, the weather website server will send updates to your sheet. All right, and then I use a formula right over here to pull specific data that I need to show up right here. So you can see there's a lot of data going on here. I don't want to show everything from the weather website, right? So I use the formula to just pull a few things. I just want like 4-day highs and lows and stuff like that, right? So that's it. All right, so basically that's what this thing is doing, is housing information that is coming in from the weather website server, and it's allowing me to pull the data that I want to the dashboard, all right, from this massive data right here. Okay, so that's what it's doing. You don't have to edit anything over here. Even if you edited something right here, maybe in 15 minutes, the weather website server is going to send new data which will override what you put in here. All right, so there's no need to even do that in the first place. Okay, so that's just about it. That's the main thing why this thing is over there. So please keep it over there. Do not delete it. If you delete it, then your widget, it's not gonna update. Your widget will not update. Okay, so please leave it there. It's there for a purpose. All right, so hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.